Greetings, scientists. Today we're addressing scientific questions. We will ask questions that can be answered with a test and data collection. Remember, data collection could be observations, could be measurements, could be what you hear, could be what you feel. You're using your senses for your data collection. Speaking of data collection, it is my red hair day, and it just so happens that on my red hair days, student achievement increases by 20%. That's right. So here we are. High student achievement. Which questions? We'll pose some questions. Which questions can we, as kid scientists, test with procedures and materials? Here are the questions. Number 1. What are the differences between salt and sugar crystals? Number 2, how long will it take us to travel to the moon at the speed of light? Number 3, will carrot seeds from 2022 sprout as fast as carrot seeds from 2023? Will we get as many from those older seeds? Number 4, what ingredient helps Play-Doh stay moist when it's exposed to air? Water or water and oil? Number 1, good question. We're looking at salt, we're looking at sugar, we're looking at the crystal structure, the size, and the color. Good, testable question. Number 2, will we be traveling to the moon here in our lives before we go to college and get trained and educated and that? No, it is not, but you can use it for research. That is a good research question. Number 3, will we count as many sprouts from 2022 carrot seeds as 2023? And that's a great question, and it's useful too. It compares older seeds with newer seeds. Right on. And last but not least, what ingredient helps Play-Doh stay moist? Water and oil. Excellent job. Compares. Very useful for the household with young children. A few more. Number 5, which vaccine for COVID-19 is more effective? Can we do that? Number 6, what uses most energy? An iron, a fan, a hairdryer, or a fluorescent light bulb? Number 7, which sounds will dolphins respond to faster? High pitch or low pitch? Good question. We will not be administering vaccines for COVID-19 in our homes. These are for trained scientists and medical personnel. We can compare an iron, a fan, a hairdryer. This is good. We can do it with a wattometer. And that's that picture on the left. And your neighboring science teacher might just have a wattometer that you can borrow. Number 7, which sounds will dolphins respond to faster? High pitch or low pitch? It's a good question, but it takes a lot of water. It takes a lot of food to take care of those. We will not be doing that in our homes. All right, so this is an example of when you can come up with a question, kind of open-ended, and then say, what am I comparing? What am I comparing? What's one thing I can change? One independent variable. Which evaporates faster, water or fill in the blank? Identical dishes, identical amounts of liquid, and time. Observe. Here's another question. Will the ice melt quickly? Well, that would be a yes or a no. There's nothing comparing, and there's no comparison going on. Will the ice melt quickly? It's not specific. It's not testable. Better. Will the ice cube melt faster if it's in a glass of water or a metal tray? You could do a lot with ice cubes. A lot of comparison can go on with ice cubes. It's specific and it's testable. Now it's your turn. Write 3 testable questions that can be done at school, scholars, or at home.